Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set a sleep timer over on your Spotify. So from now and onwards, whenever you want that this music turned off after like 5 minutes or maybe 10 minutes and at the end of the track, then make sure to watch this video till the end in order to get it properly. Alright, so currently I'm on my Spotify, and if you want to set a sleep timer on any specific music, from here if I go to library right here and open any of the playlist, and if I go and click these three vertical dots, which is after, you can see this add people button. After that we have these three vertical dots. Anyway, so if I go and click on that, from here you can not set any sleep timer right here. In order to set a sleep timer, all you need to do, you have to play any specific music that you want to listen, and then you have to click on the three vertical dots which is located in the top right of that music. Simply after that, and here you will find sleep timer. Now in sleep timer we have 5 minutes, 10 minutes and up to 1 hour and at the end of the track. So if you want that this music will be paused after 5 minutes, then you can go ahead and select the 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes the music will be turned off. And if you want that at the end of the track this music will stop, then you can select at the end of the track, and once the music gets completed, it will be stopped. Anyway, so this is how you can set the sleep timer over on Spotify. So this is it for today's video guys. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.